In this video, I'll be showing you how you create a QR code for a Google spreadsheet. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. So you can see I have this attendance spreadsheet here. I'm going to create a QR code for it. So it's going to be two ways. I'm going to allow them to edit it, and also I'm going to make it in a way that they cannot edit it as well. I'm going to show you guys the two different ways to do that, simple and easy. So I'm on this spreadsheet like this. You move to this section, you can see share here. So let's say I don't want them to have any access to edit it. So I just copy the link and I go and convert it into a QR code, something like that. Or if I want them to get access to edit it, let's say scan the code, get on the sheet, and then take the days you were present and you were not present, something like that. So you tap on the share here, you give it a name. So now let's skip that. And we have access to this, and you can see restricted. Let's tap on the restricted to anyone with the link. That's general access, under general access here. So now when they hop on it, they can do everything they want on the link. So now I have the link. Now I come to this page. You can hop on your browser, any browser you're using, and search for a QR code generator. It's up to you. I'm using this from University of Manchester because it's very, very much free. So let me just paste the code here. After that, try to pause the video. Good. So the code is being generated. You can print it or take a screenshot of it and then put it in your group. Simple and easy, and you're good to go. So this is the QR code. You can pause the video and scan it, and you're going to hop on this spreadsheet and you get access to edit it. So that's it. Simple and easy. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. If you have any question on this, you can let me know. And in my next video, I'm going to show you guys how you create a QR code for your Excel sheet as well. I have a video on how you can create a QR code in Excel, but then I'm going to show you how you can share your Excel file through QR code too. So if you are new here, just like I said, give me a like, subscribe to the channel, and drop your questions below. That's it for the video. Peace.